So today we are going to study practice set 3.3 where the question is divide each of the following polynomials by a synthetic division method. In the previous exercise practice set 3.2 we divided dividend with the divisor. Yes, we carried out a division, but that was by the normal method. Yes, but this is something new. This is called a synthetic division method. How do we do this? There are 3 steps that are to be followed. First step, check whether the dividend is in the standard form, means check whether it is in the decreasing order of the powers. So there is 2, 1 and 0. So not a problem. So first step is clear. Second step. In the second step, you will write down the coefficient form of dividend. Coefficient form of dividend. This is a dividend. So its coefficient form we are going to write down. We have done this in the 3.1 exercise. How do we write down in the coefficient form? So coefficient form is nothing but we put brackets and we write down these numbers 2, -3 and 10. These are the coefficients. Okay, so coefficient form of the dividend. That is our third step. Fourth step, go towards the divisor. Divisor is m minus 5. Okay, this is m minus 5. So what will happen is we are going to take the opposite of this number. This is minus 5, so opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. In the next step, we write down these coefficients 2, 3 and 10 inside. We draw these two lines like the axis. Okay, like this is y-axis and this is x-axis, like that we draw it, and we write down these numbers 2, -3 and 10, and this opposite of minus 5 is 5. No, this 5 we write down outside. And how do we carry out this division? See here now. Now this 2, we first number whatever is there, we write it down as it is. Okay. Then in the next step, we multiply these 5 and 2. So 5 2s will be 10. 10 we are going to write it here. So it will be like a V, like this. Okay, like this it will go. Okay. Now after writing this, you will solve this. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, 10 minus 3 is 7. Now after we did this, we wrote 10 here. Now 5 into 7 we will do. 5 into 7 is 35, which we'll write down here. Okay, and 10 plus 35 is how much? 45. So that is what we write down. Now what are all these numbers, children? See children, these are the coefficients of dividend. These are the coefficients of divisor. This is our remainder. And this are the coefficients of the quotient. Okay. So now we are going to express all these numbers in our coefficient form. Okay, index form. So how will you write this? The first thing that you will see, this is your dividend where coefficients, yes, which you have written already, 2, minus 3 and 10. So these are the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and this is the remainder. Okay, so let us write it down now. How will we write? So now what will I do is I write down the coefficient form. So the 2 and 7. 2 and 7 is the coefficient form of quotient. Okay, coefficient form of quotient is what? 2, 7. So I will have to write down this in the form of index form. So how will we write? See, we have done we have learned this in the previous exercise. If you'll remember in the 3.1 exercise, if this 2 and 7 are the coefficients, so what will be my quotient? So the quotient is going to be, we write down 2 and 7. Okay, how many numbers are these? 2. So we subtract 1 from it. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So what will be the equation? Highest degree of this will be 1. If there are 3 numbers, then the highest degree will be 3 minus 1, 2. But since here there are only 2 numbers, so what will happen? This will be m raised to 0, 7m raised to 0. This will be m raised to 1. See, how will you write? You start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. So this will be 7m raised to 0 and this will be m raised to 1. And there will be a plus sign here. but 2m raised to 1 will be 2m only, and 7m raised to 0 is 1, so this becomes 7. So in short, this remains the number. This will be m raised to 1, m raised to 2, and so on. Okay, so we got our quotient, okay, which is 2m plus 7. Fine. Now let us proceed towards the next sum. So the next question is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So our first step will be what, children? To check whether this question is in the standard form. So let me check that. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Not a problem. So we don't have to change anything here. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. So now what are we going to write down the first step? We will write down the coefficient form. So yes, we'll write down the coefficient form of this. So write down the coefficient form of this, which is 1. Since there is no number, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the coefficient form. Now the next step will be divisor. We'll write down the opposite of, now divisor is x plus 2. So I'll write down that divisor is equal to x plus 2. So opposite of x plus 2 will be, opposite of plus 2 is minus 2. After that we will draw this lines. Now, so minus 2 I write it here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I write down here. So divisor we write here, dividend we write here. Now first number we always write it down here first. Now minus 2 into 1. So 2 ones is 2, and minus into plus is minus. So I write down minus sign here. Okay. Now 2 minus 2 will be 0. Then next, you always multiply number here and number here. So minus 2 into 0 is 0. But where will you write that? We'll write down here. Now add these two numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3. So you get a new number here. Now multiply minus 2 and 3. So 3 2s will be 6, which you'll write down here. And minus into plus will be minus. Now 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. 4 minus 6 will be minus 2. Now 2 2s is 4, and minus into minus is plus. Now 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 is our remainder, and these are the coefficients of quotient. So I'll write down coefficient form of quotient is equal to 1, 0, 3, minus 2. And then I'll express it in the form of quotient. So how will I write down the quotient here? First I'll write down all these numbers 1, 0, 3 and minus 2. And then we'll start like this. This is minus 2, and the power here will be x raised to 0. So here I'll have x raised to 1, here I'll have x raised to 2, and here I'll have x raised to 3. Okay, and I'll put the signs here, plus, and there is minus here. Let us write down it properly. So x cube plus x square plus, 0x square plus 3x minus 2. Again, these 0x will go, 0x square doesn't mean anything. So this becomes x cube plus 3x minus 2. So this is your answer. Now in the third sum, y cube minus 216 divided by y minus 6. Now the problem here is the dividend is not in the coefficient for standard form, proper standard form. See, direct after 3 we have the power 0 here. So my first step will be, we'll arrange it in the proper standard form. So I write down y cube here, and I write down minus 216 here, because in between I will have y square and y. Yes, so now they are in proper order, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So here I'll put 0, here also I'll put 0 and plus and plus. So this is how I express this in the coefficient, standard form. And then divisor is this. So now the next step is going to be writing this in a coefficient form, right? So coefficient form of dividend, that is what I'll write first. Now In the next part, I'll write down coefficient form of dividend. So I wrote 1, 0, 0 and minus 2, 1, 6. Divisor. Divisor is y minus 6. So the opposite of minus 6 is plus 6. So now we'll draw those two lines. Yes. And we'll divide them. Okay. How do we divide them? First of all, we place this 6 here and we write down these coefficients inside. 1, 0, 0 minus 2, 1, 6. Now, the first number we always write like this. 6 ones are 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 6 are 36, which we'll write down here. 0 plus 6 will be 36. 36 6 is 216. But minus and plus will be minus. So 216 minus 216 will be 0. So remainder is going to be 0. Okay. And quotient will be 1, 3 and 6. So let us write down. And dividing, what will I get? So I'll write down coefficient form of quotient is equal to 1, 6, 36. Okay, so that will become, so how will I get a quotient out of this? Quotient will be, therefore quotient will be 1, 6 and 36. So I'll write on 1, 6 and 36. Okay, now this will be x raised to 0 or here y, no? So y raised to 0, this is y raised to 0 here. So this will be y raised to 1 and this is y raised to 2. There will be plus sign here. Since there is no negative sign here, there will be plus sign. Now, this becomes y square plus 6y plus 36. So this is your quotient and now the remainder. So the remainder becomes, the remainder is 0. So you can write down the remainder 0. I forgot to write down in the previous sums. You have please mention the remainder also. And now the fourth sum. Now the last sum, that is a fourth sum. Let us have a look. Now first of all, look at the dividend. It is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. Okay, now here they are not in a proper order and also there is something missing out here. So first of all, I write down this entire thing in the standard form, means in a proper order, descending order. Okay, so this will be x raised to 4, 2x raised to 4 plus, I write down first. Okay, and then I wrote 3x cube minus 2x square and then I wrote 4x. I arranged it in a proper order. If you see, first I wrote 4, then 3, then 2 and then 1. So this is how we arrange. But this, the last part is what? X raised to 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, no problem. But there is a number missing here, right? And therefore index form, I write down this. Index form means, see, standard form means you arrange it in a proper order. Index form means whatever is missing, you put that. So here what is missing? This last one, raised 0 power is missing. So 0 we put it. And then we write down the coefficient form where we write down these numbers 2, 3, minus 2, 4 and 0. Okay, that is the coefficient form. Then we write down these numbers here and plus 3. So we write down minus 3 here. First number goes down, that is 2. 3 2s is 6. But minus into plus is minus. Now 3 minus 6 will be what? 6. 3 and the sign of a bigger number. 3 3s is 9. Minus into minus is plus. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. Now 7 3s are 21. Minus into plus is minus. Now 4 minus 21. So 21 minus 4 will give me 17 and sign of a bigger number. 17 3s are will be 51. Minus into minus will be plus. So our remainder is going to be 51 and this is our quotient. So write down coefficient form of quotient because these are the coefficients, right? 2, minus 3, 7 and 17. Here. So what will be the quotient? How do I write down this? See, what do I do here? I write down 17 here, 7 here, minus 3 and 2. Last is only the number. Then this is 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. So like that I write down x raised to 1, x raised to 2 and x raised to 3. So this is your quotient and the lastly the remainder. Thank you.